In this video, I will be showing you how to make a table in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home page, I navigate to the top left corner and click on the Create a Design button. A drop-down menu appears showing various design formats, and I scroll down through the options and select Presentation to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editor loads and my blank slide is ready, I head over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Elements. This section provides a wide range of shapes, graphics, and tools that I can add to my layout. Under the Browse categories, I look through the options and click on Tables. This opens up a collection of pre-designed table templates featuring different row, column, and color combinations. I take a moment to look over the available styles to find the one that fits my needs. I select a standard 3x3 table layout with a colored header row and click on it to add it to the center of my canvas. To make the table larger and easier to read, I grab the corner handle and drag it outwards until it nicely fills the workspace. Now I can start customizing the table colors. I click on the first cell in the top header row, then click on the color tile from the top toolbar to open the color palette. I choose a dark blue shade, and then click Change All at the bottom of the color panel so the entire top header row updates to the new color. Next, I want to update the body cells. I click on one of the cells in the second row, open the color menu, and choose a bright cyan color. I then select the remaining cells across the lower rows and apply that same cyan shade so that all the content rows have a consistent, vibrant look. To refine the outline, I select the table and click on the border icon in the top toolbar. I adjust the border settings and select black as the border color, giving every cell a crisp, defined grid line. Finally, I click outside the table onto the canvas to deselect it and review the final look. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a table on Canva.